So here's the antenna. It says that it picks up to 800 miles away. So I followed the instructions here, and there's a little booklet that gives really good guided photos to help you connect. It's scanning. We'll see if it finds anything. While it's scanning, let me show you my setup back here. This plugged into this, the antenna in right there on the back of the TV. And then the other thing that you need to put in is the USB, which I have plugged in right here into the TV's USB. So those two wires connect to this. Continue on. This is my temporary setup for the actual antenna. So we're just gonna see how that goes. It is blizzarding out. Maybe not the best day to test this out. Oh, hello. Look at that. That is like a clear picture. Okay, this is wild. It actually works. And this is the biggest blizzard we've had all year, by the way. On the screen, this looks very flashy. Okay, we are getting some pixelation, so it's not perfect during a blizzard, but again, biggest blizzard we've had all year long. And then it comes in clear. Look at this. Amazing. I am genuinely floored at how well this works and how simple it was to get this set up in the RV. So this is our RV TV. It doesn't fit the space, I know, we're remodeling, but the TV's here for now. We don't have a cable box out here. So I wanted to see if something like this would work. Look at all these channels. Let's see if they all work. What? I'm genuinely floored. The sound is great. The Spanish channel comes in. The picture's beautiful. Test out a few more. This is so good. I live in a mountainous area, and our regular TV doesn't pick up any channels on its own. This digital HD TV antenna, you can set it outside or inside. It might work even better if we put it outside. I can't recommend this enough. This is amazing.